Hi, in this video we will look at the following main character. She sells seashells by the seashore. Before there were coins and paper money, people had to trade other valuable things as forms of payment. In the Yin and Zhou dynasties, seashells were actually used as currency. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a cowrie seashell. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? It kind of looks like a shellfish with its body sticking out of its shell. This character means shell. It also has the meaning of currency. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, we will add a person. This character shows a person bearing a big sack of money on his back. Money that is a burden is a debt. This character means bear or bear debt. It is used in this word, 负责, which means in charge of. Let's see the next character. The character on top is a variation of this character and means thorn. The thorn represents the act of blaming or scolding a person that owes money. Being in debt is like having a thorn stuck in your body. It is used in this word, 责任, which means responsibility. Here's another one. From here, we will add a character that means thread. In ancient China, people spun threads because cloth was traded as valuable material and could even be used to pay taxes and debt in place of certain responsibilities. This valuable source of funds helped people achieve their goals. This character means spin and achievement. It is used in this word, 成绩, which means result, record, or achievement. Here's another character. Now let's add a different character on top. The character on top signifies a bundle of coins made by passing a piece of thread through the holes. Qin Shi Huang of the Qin dynasty, the man who unified mainland China for the first time and created the Great Wall, also created metal coins with holes in them, which became the standard form of Chinese currency. This character means pass through. It is used in this word, guàn, which means consistent. Here's the last character. From here, we will add a variation of the character for heart. A habit is a repetitive action that someone can do without thinking, like threading coins to make bundles. It is an action they are used to and is engraved in the heart. This character means be used to. It is used in this word, 习惯, which means habit. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or a good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.